met my daughter and my son in London. After the competition was announced, there were two knights who intended to propose to Queen's daughter. The first knight was handsome and young, has amassed study and is extraordinary supernatural powers man. He said, "Oh Queen, I intend to propose your daughter as my wife. I will work hard to make the place and show my sincerity." The second knight was a man who is armed and old, but he has ability to calm and spirits to help him make the list. I also want to marry your beautiful daughter. I will show you my power and ability to make the list. Second night, then we explained the rules of the competition. She explained, "You will have to start making the lake at sunset and finish before dawn." The competition began soon. The first night started to make the lake with his extraordinary power. "With my hard work, I will divinely be able to marry the princess. Oh, princess, wait for my arrival," said the first knight. Actually, the queen's daughter was the first knight. So, when the queen saw the result of the second night's work, she was surprised. Then made a plan. "I should make the rooster crow with his spirits," said the queen. Suddenly, a rooster crowed when the second night almost finished the lake. For the spirits indicated that it was dawn and they would disappear. "Oh no! How can I finish it without being help?" said the second night. Meanwhile, the first night stayed focused and finished the lake. Finally, he became the winner. In the morning, the queen and her daughter came to see the lake made by the first night. "Wow, I'm really amazed by the lake. It is so beautiful, calm, and pure. Let's take a bath here, my dear mom," said the queen's daughter. Suddenly, then they took a bath in the lake. When they were taking a bath, suddenly a strong wind blew. Their clothes were blown away the wind and fell into the middle of the lake. Immediately, the water in the lake turned into the color of the clothes by beauty and clarity. The queen and her daughter. Since then, the lake has been called Juara Lake, which means color lake. And do you know where the lake takes place? It is in Central Java. The end. Well, ladies and gentlemen, from the story we can learn that we should struggle and work hard to get something we want. That's all from me, and thank you for your attention.